Namaste. Today we will be continuing our video on curve fitting or regression by least square approximation method. So in this video I will be fitting the given data in straight line, okay, that is y equals to ax plus b. So first off, let xi yi be the given data, okay, given data, okay, and we want to fit it in line, fit it into a line y equals to ax plus b. Yes, that is, in terms of data we write yi axi plus b. That means for first yi value this must be true, yes, and error. So error is equals to yi minus axi plus b. Error is yi minus axi plus b. This minus this, okay. So the condition for best approximation. What will be the best approximation? We know that the first derivative is 0. So if the first derivative is 0, then it is best maximum. But first we have to square the sum of error. That means the sum of square error should be minimum. For best approximation, the condition for best approximation is sum of square error should be minimum. That is, it is represented by s equals to e1 square plus e2 square plus dot en square should be minimum. Yes, and for minimum I have already told that the first derivative is 0. S equals to ei square. So that is summation ei is yi minus axi plus b whole square. And for minimum, you know that derivative with respect to s in terms of b is 0, a and b, yes, derivative of s with respect to a is 0. So if these two conditions are true, then the error will be minimum. That means that will be the best approximation, okay. Now, okay, let us solve this. So here del s by del b equals to, what will the derivative of this? Summation square, so 2yi minus axi minus b, yes, into del by del b yi minus axi minus b. This is done. Derivative of, okay, y minus x whole square by dx is equals to d y minus x whole square by dy minus x into dy minus x by dx. This is the form what we have done. Yes, so equals to summation 2yi minus axi b minus bi into what is the derivative with respect to b? It is minus 1. Yes, so it becomes summation, okay, minus 2yi minus axi minus b. So that is equal to 0. For minimum case it is 0. Yes, or it is summation yi minus xi minus b whole equals to 0, because 2 when it goes it's 0. Therefore b becomes summation yi minus summation axi, okay, by n, because summation b is n times is added, so that is nb. Okay, so this is my equation 1. Okay, now for solving for a. Okay, so del s by del a is equals to, similarly when we find the derivative of this, it gives summation 2 yi minus axi minus b into del yi minus axi minus b all divided by del a. So that is equals to 2 yi minus axi minus b into, so what is the derivative of this with respect to a? It is minus xi. So it gives, so it is 0 for minimum. Yes, summation 2 yi minus axi minus b into xi. Okay, minus is written here. So 2 when it goes, it is always, it becomes 0. 0 equals to, so when x is multiplied, it gives yi xi minus a xi square minus b xi. Yes, or so when we move whole term to this side, it gives summation yi xi minus a summation xi square minus b summation xi is equals to 0. This is equation number 3. So by solving equation number, sorry, this is 2 not 3. Okay, by solving equation number 1 and 2, we get the value of b and a. By solving equation number 1 and 2, we get value of a and b. So that is our required equation is y equals to ax plus bs. So a and b are found, so we can find the line that will be best suited for the given data. Okay, so let us do an example by using this equation. Okay, let us do an example. So let us consider we have to feed a baseline for x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3, x equals to 4. And when x equals to 0, fx or y equals to 1. Let it be 1. When 1, 2, when 2, 3, when 3 it become 4, when 3 it become 5. Yes. So what are the necessary condition for our best approximation? So let the required line be y equals to ax plus b. Okay, so this is our question 1. So the condition for best approximation, condition for best approximation so what was the condition for best approximation? Okay, these were the best. Yes, these were the condition for best approximation, that is b equals to summation yi minus summation axi by n. This is one. Okay, and next approximation was, okay, this one, summation yi xi minus a summation xi square minus b summation xi equals to 0. This is 3. So we have to find the value of this, to find the value of b and a. Okay, now let us solve this. So okay, I will be writing here, what is the value of x, what is the value of fx, and we need summation yi, summation, okay, axi, need axi, summation xi square, summation yxi, and summation xi. Okay, so what is the value we need? Okay, summation, okay, sorry, x into fx, okay, that is x into y, and another needed part is x square. Yes, so yi xi, yi xi, yi xi, and xi square. So these are the necessary part for finding the value of a and b. So what is the value of x? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the value of fx? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x into fx means 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 5, 20. Now x square, so 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. Now we have to find the summation x or xi. Okay, is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Summation, okay, fx is y, so yi is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Yes, and summation, okay, xi yi or yi xi is equals to 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20, it is 40. Summation xi square, 0 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, it is 30. Okay, now we substitute the value of this into this. So when we substitute the value, we get, okay, when we substitute the value, so b is equals to summation yi is 15 minus a, we haven't found it, a, summation xi is into 10 divided by n. What is the number value of n? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means total number of data is 5. So 5 is equals to 3 minus 2a. So therefore b equals to 3 minus 2a is our one equation. Minus or plus? It was okay. It's okay. So this is equation 1. Okay, let it be equation 4. Here 3, so let it be 4. And by finding putting the value of this into this, we get summation yi xi. It is summation yi xi. It is 40. Yes, so 40. Okay. 40. Okay, summation. Okay, A is summation xi square is 30. It was 30. So into 30 minus B. Summation xi is 10. 10 equals to 0. So let us solve it into this form. That means let us B decide. So 10B is equals to 40 minus 30A. Therefore B is equals to 4 minus 3A. Yes. So this be equation 5. Now solving these two equation. So solving 4 and 5, we get A equals to 1 and B equals to 1. So our necessary equation is y equals to ax plus b is converted into y equals to value of a is 1, 1 into x is x, and b is 1. So this is our required equation. So in this way we have fit the straight line to the given data by using least square approximation. So in next video I will be continuing this regression analysis for second degree polynomial or quadratic equation, or also known as parabolic equation. Thank you.